abuse. The Crisis Intervention Unit of the City Social Welfare and Development Office caters to abused and abandoned children. Alias Maria has been living in the CIU for 5 years already. Despite her parents' absence while growing up, Maria continues to do well in her school. She even joins painting and on-the-spot poster making contests. She is also a good speaker as well. She dreams of becoming an architect. One of her inspirations is the group of architects which visited their home recently. These architects put in all their resources to renovate the building of the Crisis Intervention Unit. They painted and decorated the rooms. They even donated some personal stuff for the kids. The children were happy to see the new look of their home sweet home. Maria hopes to finish college so that she can also help in providing the needs of the abandoned and abused children in the Crisis Intervention Unit. Sa kabilang dako, umabot sa 200